Okay, so back on the 2012 Chevy Cruz, had the coolant leak at the water outlet. Let me show you that part number real quick. This is what we're going to change, and this is common also on these cars. Okay, AC Delco part number. So, let's go after it. If you get a coolant leak on this, you'll know how to change this part. Let me see how our view is going to be on this one. I'll get you pretty close, I think. All right. Let's see how this does. First thing you're going to want to do is unplug the sensor right here. Take off this hose assembly right here. Alright, let's pull it up over to the side. Water outlet's right down here. I think we can maybe just get you some vision and release this little clamp right here. Got to anyway. Take this out. I just broke it. Hopefully we get a new one. No pressure on the cooling system. Right here, we got to push in this little piece. Let's just make sure. Take the radiator cap off. Make sure you don't have any pressure on the system. There we had some. Well, I'm going to remove that clip. Usually you should be able to push it in and just take it out of there. But there you are. Move that little overflow hose. Took it out of your way. Clip there. Hose there. Does have a sensor in the front of it right here. Get that out of there. Hose in the back. Hose right here, coolant hose right there. So let's go after these clamps. Hand underneath the car, catching antifreeze, supposedly. One more hose right back here. Now I don't know if it came with the sensor or not on the new water outlet. We'll find out. Okay, they're out of the way. Should be that same. Let me get my train of thought here. Hold on. Still going to be that E10, yeah, down here. And I think there's just 3 of them. Let's find out. We got one there. There. And there. All right. That's what we went after. That's a clip that I broke. We'll fix that. Sensor's right here. Let me see if the new one came with that. I doubt it. Awesome blossom. Yep, we got a new sensor with that one. Rubber gasket. Check your gasket surface. Looks good. Airplane part, old part, throw it away. Pop your bolts. Everything started by hand. Okay. Take a 1/4 inch hand-held ratchet and make sure they're tight. There we go. Get our hoses back on. Get her full of antifreeze. Have a done deal here. I don't like that lower hose. I'm going to talk to him possibly about replacing that. Sometimes it's easier just to hold the clamp and slide the hose on. Sometimes, like that, without pulling it all the way back. And a lot of times we like to replace these spring-loaded clamps too with new ones. This one I did slide back on the hose. So it's going to work me out a little bit. Probably just looking at the back of my head. You know what? This one's going to get a new clamp. Be right back. Loosen that clamp a little bit. right, let's see what we got going on here. So we got all the hoses on. We got the sensor in the bottom to plug in. Find the wiring for that. There it is right here. Okay. This hose to put back in there. They gave us a new piece there. Let's see something here. It actually can clip out of there. Squeeze. Let me see. Oh, little clip pulls off to the side. So you replace that. Okay. Well, let's see here. All right, that clip just slides on there and holds it on the shoulder. This piece, we will tie strap right back there. Still have this hose here to pull across. Right here. Put that back in. Tighten my hose clamp back there.
What I want to ask you is, when I get off that screen, how do I get back on it?
I'll show you. Give me a second.
Which one of those things? Just show me which one I need. You can show me right there from the window.
Let me finish my video.
Oh,
okay. It's all right. I'll be right there. Yeah, I'll be right there. All right. So intake hose is tight. I just got to fill it up with antifreeze and just a little bit of buttoning up there. So there you are. Let me back out of this. Yep. So you've got it. 2011, 2012 Chevy Cruz 1.4 liter coolant outlet leaking antifreeze. Fixed. Started up, heated up, thermostat open. Done job. Thanks for watching.